Hello friends, welcome to Moondine Kitchen. Today our recipe will be Shahi Biryani, Veg Biryani. So the ingredients needed for fried is soyabean chunks, beans chopped into pieces, carrot and capsicum. So we will fry this till it gets cooked. Stay tuned in the video for further process. Thank you. Yeah, now we will pour one ingredients. First we will pour capsicum followed by carrot and then chopped beans. So we need to fry till 5-10 minutes so that it becomes cooked. We will stir the vegetables so that it gets cooked properly. Cook till it becomes sauté. So guys, now we have added salt, cumin powder and coriander powder. Stir it well to get it mixed. Now you have to add soya chunks in it. Again stir it well. So now we are going to add 3 to 4 teaspoon of water and we have to cover the lid to get it cooked. So now we will remove the lid and check whether it's cooked or not. After checking whether it's cooked or not, we will just keep it aside and fry the onions. Yeah, so now we will take 5 to 6 teaspoons of oil for frying of onions. Now we will put the chopped onions in the kadai and wait till it gets entirely fried and turns into brownish color. Stir it well so that it gets fried. So now guys, you can see it has turned into a golden brown. So actually we have used 2 chopped onions, so it takes approximately 8 to 10 minutes to get it this golden brown color. If you use more onions, it will take more time, so accordingly you have to cook the onions. So now it has turned into really good color. So now we will start the process of cooking rice. Yeah, so now we have started the process of making rice. For that we need 750 ml of water. We need to pour that and wait till it gets boiled so that the bubbles start coming. And we need 500 grams of soaked rice that should be soaked in water for at least 1 hour. So 500 grams of rice we are using for 4 members. So you can increase the quantity or decrease the quantity of rice according to the number of members for whom the food is being prepared. So as we can see that the water has now boiled. So now we will start pouring the masalas one by one. First we will pour bay leaf. Second is star anise. Third is Jayatri Jaifal. Fourth is cardamom cinnamon. Then we will pour cloves. Then slight pepper powder. And after that we will put some pinch of salt, followed by cumin powder, chili powder and coriander powder. Now we have to stir it so that it gets mixed properly. So guys, now we are putting basmati rice which is soaked in 1 hour, that is 500 to 600 grams. We are pouring it into the masala. So we have to cook this around 60 to 70%, not full. So it will take around a time of 10 to 15 minutes, not more. So guys, you can see that the rice has become fluffy. It has become double the original size. So it has been cooked 60 to 70%. You have to check yourself properly. You have to keep a constant eye on the dish. So now for making biryani, first we will put the fried vegetables, as you can see. After that we are pouring rice over it. Now we will pour fried onions, the golden brown onions which you can see. Now bits of dry fruits, that includes kaju, kishmish and dry fruits. Bit of coriander leaves. Again fried vegetables. So guys, after that we will put one bowl of cooked rice water. So now we will put the rice in the rice cooker, and it should be airtight cloth to give dum. See, we have to make it airtight so that it gets cooked properly. So now we have to cook this process for 15 to 20 minutes. Don't put more than 20 minutes, otherwise it will get overcooked. So finally it's cooked. You can see the texture. So now we will do the plating. It's ready to be served. It's looking delicious. Kindly try your experience and subscribe our channel Moondine Kitchen. Thank you.